Okay, hi, my name's Dave. I'm the papa to these two. This is
Dalton Horn. I am in Mrs. Baldakowski's second grade class. I go to Woodland Elementary School.
And this is
Easton Horn, and I'm in Mrs. Roberts' first grade class.
And like I said, I'm Dave, and I'm reading this to you because they're making me. The book is What's That Noise? The author is Isabel Minhós Martins. The illustrator is Madalena Matoso, and they're both from Portugal. This book is written and authored by and illustrated by people from Portugal because that's the neighboring country to Spain. So we're talking today about that part of the world, Spain and Portugal. Our family background is from those two countries, from the Algarve coast in Portugal and from one of the islands off the coast of Spain. So, what's that noise? And this book is calling you. I guess it's calling us, isn't it? Okay, so place your ear here. There's instructions throughout. Can you hear anything? No wind, no rain, no birds, no nothing. Try listening here, and here, and here too. Still nothing? That's strange. I thought I heard a voice. Now it shows all kinds of places, lighthouses and beaches, but I don't think anybody heard anything. I didn't. Okay, how about putting a hand here? I did that. I still didn't hear anything. And the other one here. To tell this story, we'll need your fingers, your eyes, your ears, and maybe your nose. Are you ready? If so, patter your fingers on the page like a drum roll. Let the adventure begin. See that green patch? Green patch. That's where the forest begins. Use your fingers to walk there. You've been very brave, but now hush. We're in an unknown forest, and we don't know what dangers might be lurking nearby. Could be those two kids that were just standing here. What's that noise? Did you hear it? So did I. So did you?
I heard it. Me too.
It was that voice calling you, wasn't it? I think it came from the next page. Turn it over carefully. You're not afraid of animals, are you?
No.
All right. Oh. Oh. Look at the leaves. They've been eaten. Look at the trail left on the ground. There was something here, but it seems to have run away. Follow the trail on tiptoe. Look, we've come to a river. What now? What now? Dip your fingers in the water. It's cold, isn't it? Jump from stone to stone to get to the other side. We made it. Oh, it's starting to rain, but it's only a few small drops. You will go on, won't you?
Yes.
Won't you?
Yep.
The drizzle has turned into a downpour. After all, touch the raindrops with your fingertips to hear the sound of the rain. Slowly, stronger, a storm. A storm. Run for shelter on the other side of this giant rock. Giant yellow rock. Phew. It seems to have passed. But if I were you, I'd watch out. Can you hear the grass move? It's moving and calling out. Who could it be? Looks like they're playing hide and seek. Oops, it's gone again, but this time it's left us something round and red. What could it be? It is definitely round. Trace its outline with your finger. It's definitely red. Look again. Does it speak? Say hello. Is it a ball? Press it. Is it a switch? Flick it. Is it a clown's nose? Pinch it. Does it smell? Press your nose against it. Ah, it does smell. It smells like... Can you see what I see? Take a peek. Step inside. But when you turn the page, don't open the book too wide, or you'll let in too much light all at once. Okay? Boo. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, there's someone in here. Make a frightened heartbeat with your fingers. How does that go? Dum-dum, dum-dum. Oh, wait, frightened. Dum-dum, 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 dum-dum. Now what shall we do? Hasn't it realized yet that we just want to be friends? I know. Let's show it there are no dangers out there. That's an odd way to write it. I know. Let's give it a present. If it sounds and looks red, maybe we should give it something round and red. Any ideas? Any ideas? Run your fingers over the apple skin and call softly. Come and see, I have something for you. Where's the apple? I don't know either. Ah, at last. We have a big red apple and a worm. Take it easy, don't rush. Make a worm with your fingers. And slowly edge your way closer. There's so much to show your new friend. Why don't you take it to the big rock in the creek where you like to dive? Now it's sideways. The water looks so good. Shall we throw some pebbles in? A small one, splish. Another small one, splish. A really big one, splish. Splish, splish, splish. Your turn. Now, 1, 2, 3, jump. The grass is so soft, the sun is so warm, and a summer breeze is blowing. If you lie down, and you and your new friend will be dry in no time. Blow on the page softly to create a gentle breeze. But what is this shadow all of a sudden? It's a blackbird who has spotted the worm for its dinner. Bad deal for the worm. Hurry, you must protect your friend. Shelter it with the palm of your hand. Whew, it's gone. There are some dangers out there after all, but when you have a friend by your side, everything is fine. See how happy it looks? Make your hands into a round apple for your worm friend to take shelter in. Take a peek and see how it's sleeping and nicely curled up. See you tomorrow. When the worm wakes up, I'll be delighted to see you. Don't forget to come and see it once in a while. That's it. Bye.